Hello fams, happy new week. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always being there. I love you. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. This week tutorial is based on how to add fullness to your basic trouser. So I have my basic trouser already. I'm going to add fullness right from the knee length. Now from the knee line to the hem, divide into section like what I'm doing, divide into section, but remember to add numbers on your pattern, on your pieces, so to enable you to secure your pieces in case it's being blown away or something. So now that I have it rolled out, divided into section, I'm slashing through. I'm going to slash through on the knee and open it in this direction like what I'm doing. Be careful not to cut out, just cut through in order to spread on another paper for the fullness. Now that I have it, I'm placing on another paper. Now I'm going to open my piece a bit by bit, 1 centimeter or 2, but depends on how full you want how full you want the fullness around the hem. So doing this will allow the flare to be well pronounced, the volume of the flare will be much, and at the end of the day I have my flare trouser. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you're watching this video, kindly subscribe. Thank you. And please also leave a comment below. Also like this video and share with friends. We have so many people who also want to learn 1 or 2 things, and we'll be glad if you could tell us what you want us to illustrate, the kind of pattern you want us to illustrate for you, and we'll be gladly do it. Thank you so much. So now that I've opened the lower parts, which is the fullness I created, I'm outlining the shape in order for me to have a proper shape. Yes, welcome back. Thank you for staying tuned. Now I had to use tape, that's tape to hold down the pattern in order for it to be secured. So now that I have it, I'm going to please kindly follow us on Facebook at Waju Couture Waju, and on Instagram at Waju Couture, also on Twitter at Waju Couture, and please like our page, join our group. You enjoy so many other materials we share. Thank you. Please like this video, comment and share. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. I love you. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to blend some parts that are not looking too well, because if the edges are not properly blended, it gives a different look and it's going to look odd. So now that I'm done, I'm going to cut out the pattern so we can see what it looks like. You can also get tools at Fashion Tools 44. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're also on TikTok as well as Waju. I love you. Thank you so much. So this is the outcome after all the slash and spread method. This is what it's going to look like. Thank you. You can as well apply this method to the center back. Thank you for watching. I love you.